Hi everyone, this is Julie Bean with Beadaholique, and I have a fun show and tell for you today. I have TierraCast Woodland collection, and I love it. I think this is my all-time favorite TierraCast collection. I just love all the pieces and all the finishes. I think it's beautiful. So what we have here are connectors, bezels, buttons, links, charms, bead caps, things like that. I'm going to walk you through it. But first off, you'll notice they come in 4 different finishes. So we've got antique copper, and this is their Fern Connector. You can see how that would look as a bracelet. You can actually bend these a little bit. They're very strong, but you can bend them a little bit if you want to curve them around your wrist. I think it'd make a lovely earring as well. You've got a hook here, or not a hook, but a loop, and a loop here, or a necklace focal. So there's the antique copper. We have antique gold. Again, really nice on both sides. We have brass oxide, which is a little bit darker, but you can still see the detail for sure. And then we have antique silver. So that is the Fern Connector link. Then we have this beautiful poppy focal. So this is nice, and here's what the back looks like. I actually thought the back was the front for a while because even the back has got some really pretty detailing, but on the front you do have these poppies, and you've got the 2 loops up here. So again, this would make a beautiful earring. You could put some chain right here to make it into an earring, or you can make it a necklace. Lots of different choices. And it too comes in the different finishes. So lots of different options with your designing. So that would make a beautiful focal or a connector link. And then over here, I'm going to skip over here. We've got these beautiful leaf charms. Now TierraCast has had this in button form before because I've used it in projects, but I love it that's now in a leaf form as well. Great from both sides. So if you are doing a charm bracelet or earrings where you might see the other side, it does look beautiful on both sides. Over here, we have these guys. Now these are pendants or charms, but they've got a little secret. They're bezels. So if you do resin work, these are great. Or if you do embroidery and you want to put some embroidery in here, let's say you're doing like a floral embroidery and you're going to set it down in here, the back is just gorgeous. So it's a beautiful presentation. So those, you've got the bezel setting. So I'll flip a couple of those right side up so you can see that. And then you got that loop up at top for very easy connecting and hanging. And then if we come over here, we see we've got some more charms. So this is the Thistle Charm. Now this is a one-sided charm, but it is nice and smooth on the back. It's got that nice loop. And it comes in the different finishes as well. And I just made this pair of earrings. I mixed and matched the finishes. I thought that would be super fun. So I decided to use antique gold, brass oxide, the antique copper, and then some little copper earring hooks. So you can mix and match the finishes because they do look really beautiful together. We do have a video and a project tutorial for this project as well if you're interested. Now for these little thistles, we also have buttons. So you see the little button shank right there. So you got that little nice low profile button shank. And you've got the thistle up top. Show it to you here in the silver. I think you can really see the detail in the antique silver. Then we've got these connector links. So these are great. So these are 2-leaf connector links. And I think you can tell, I love this collection. There's so much you can do with it. So they've got 2 little leaves, and then they've got 2 loops. So you can hang an earring hook from up here, some chain, whatever it is that you like, and then you can hang something from the bottom as well. So those are very versatile. They're quite lightweight, which is nice. I think you could stack some of those. So if you wanted to say connect a bunch of them together in a row, you could do that because they're not too heavy, which is nice. Then we've got these guys, Acorn bead caps. Who does not love Acorn bead caps? So we've got the little gold one. We've got the antique copper. We've got the brass oxide, and we have the antique silver. So a nice little acorn bead cap for you right there. You can put it on a pearl, you can put it on a check glass fire polish bead, lots of choices. And then last but not least, we have this guy. So this is a little like charm pendant. It's a size that could work as a charm or a pendant. And this is a redwood tree. And then it too has a little surprise. It has a saying on the back. Not all those who wander are lost, which is a saying I particularly love. So you've got that saying On the back, you have the tree on the front, and you have, again, a little bit of extra decorative embellishments as well. So really nice collection. Again, this is the Woodland collection by TierraCast. Like I said, I think it is my favorite TierraCast collection of all time. I just think they did a fantastic job on it, and I think it suits my taste. So this is something that I personally love and will be using a lot of in my own designs. So all of this is available for sale at Beadaholic. We've got this one project right here, and we're going to be doing many, many more. So if you like it, please do check out the collection that we have and have fun with this. Have fun designing, coming up with projects. I think all these pieces are so versatile and really special. I think that the detailing is just lovely. I hope you enjoyed this show and tell. We do have other show and tells. If you do like to see product, up close and get it to see all sides of it, please do check out our other show and tell videos as well. Thanks, everyone.